So I just got home from my psych appointment. I just went and got my medicine. And you wouldn't believe, I don't know if you guys see everybody wearing these sweaters from Walmart, but if they're on sale for $13, which is a steal because these were like, let me see, these were marked down. They're Time and True, which I love their line. These were $20. So I actually thought they were $50, or I think I thought they were $30 or $40, but whatever. They're $13 now. So I got this very light, soft purple one in a large, I think, an extra large. So yeah, and I got my medicine upped. She just upped my medication. And then I had to get hash browns and hot dog rolls. So yeah, just wanted to quickly say hi to you guys and let you maybe check out our Bath & Body Works haul. Or, yeah, I might throw this in with my Bath & Body Works haul. I'm not sure yet. We shall see. But yeah, I hope you guys are doing well, enjoying the new year. I know a lot of you guys are getting sick. I'm so sorry. We're just getting over like the worst cold ever, and it seems like it's really going around quite a few different towns and states. So I hope you all get better if you are sick. And yeah, expect a lot of videos coming up soon because I have a lot planned for this new year. You wouldn't believe it. I just got the Himirror and it just came in the mail today, and I'm about to go inside and open that bad girl up. I'm not going to call it a bad boy. It's a bad girl. I'm going to open that bad girl up and start trying to set it up. It seems like a lot of people have a little bit of difficulty setting it up. I decided to read the reviews after buying it, and it had mixed reviews, so we shall see. But my girl Makeup Junkie Patty has it, and we are going to be collabing and doing a makeup video, and I cannot wait. So I have to set this up. I know a lot of you also requested makeup videos from me, so that is definitely something I want to start off the new year with, is the makeup video that you guys requested multiple times. I've had multiple requests, even a couple emails for makeup videos, so we shall be doing that. So stay tuned. Now I'm going to go relieve my Nana from watching my girls. I kind of feel like so exhausted right now, but it's okay. I'm going to hang in there. I'm going to chug some water because I literally almost crashed trying to grab the water in the pack because I am like feeling really kind of tired and like over exhausted and maybe dehydrated. So I do feel better from the colds, but I need some water in my life like now. And it's funny because Makeup Junkie Patty just posted a nice little Instagram slide on her stories about how important water is for you. So I'm going to go drink some and eat my hot dogs and chill and open my mirror. So yeah, yay! I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video, whatever it is. Okay, bye.
Where it is, Mama?
You what?
I can't wait to see where it is.
You can't wait to see what it is?
I have to move.
Come here, Larina. Okay. Larina. Larina, come on. Okay. Let's see. We can't get Larina to stop crying, but we're going to open it.
Mama, do I have to close my eyes? Yeah.
No, you don't. Okay, this is the Himirror Plus unboxing. Cost $1 million in shipping. Oh man. What?
Can I open my eyes yet?
Yes. You play in the box, Larina?
I'm not playing the box.
Okay, you can play in the box. Wow. So with remote control, beauty with intelligence, Amazon Alexa. It is like a bathtub. What are you doing in there? What are you doing in there?
Rainbow in the
Peekaboo.
In the box.
Peekaboo.
In the box.
Peekaboo. Is that funny?
You can see me.
Wow, so this is very heavy. So cool. I can't wait to take it out. So stinking cool.
Mama.
Get it on Google Play, Amazon Alexa. Download our app store.
Hey, make some space, you
Yes,
dog.
we shall.
No, Rita.
Let her out. Stop it. Let her out if she wants to get out.
Okay.
Okay, so let me put you guys on the tripod. Oh my gosh, stop it. It's not the end of the world. Okay, which way is the slide out? Gosh, this is so heavy. Stop, Larina. Please. I can't believe how big this is. Okay. Oh my god, it's huge. I didn't expect it to be that big. Oh my god. OMG. Okay, here's directions.
Let me see. I want to see.
You want to see? Okay, we gotta wait. You got, this is pretty big. Look at this. No, it's not for you. Check that out. Oh my gosh, I love it. Yeah, in a minute. Hold on. Drill?
Does it get bubbles?
Oh, to hang it. Okay, 1 second, guys. Okay, so this is quite the setup. Quick start guide. Plug in the power adapter and turn on your Himirror. So there's like all these little pieces here. This and this. I don't know where I'm going to hang it. So right now I just put all the boxes and everything back in here. Probably going to throw this stuff away. Except that one. There are no bubbles, sweetie. And I actually have it over here plugged in, as you can see, next to the Wi-Fi, because this is such a smart place to put a Wi-Fi box. So yeah, that's where it is for now, and that's where it's gonna stay until I figure this out, because I only have one outlet in this bathroom, and it's right here, and it's between the toilet and the sink, and the cord is not long at all, so I don't even think it'll like reach over here. We'll see though. I don't know. We shall see. I'm not really sure how this thing works, but I think it looks pretty there. I'm kind of gonna try to keep the girls away from it. And yeah, I guess let's turn it on. Ooh. Okay, go poop. As I'm taking a video. Himirror. This is crazy, you guys. How crazy is this? So you guys are going to be able to see me do makeup videos. Possibly sitting right here. Once I figure out there's somewhere to go. I don't think this is supposed to be on the rug. But that might be where it goes for now. I think they say don't put it on a rug. Pretty sure that's what they say. Maybe I'll put this little piece of plastic underneath it. I have no idea. Oh my God. No, a plastic bag won't work either. This is just a nightmare. Oh my God. Try the paper. I don't know why a Wi-Fi box can't sit on a rug, so just gonna leave it there. Let it do its thing. Okay, so setup. Number 1, Himirror. Number 2, password. Number 3, I don't know what it wants me to do. Get it on the App Store. Okay. Gotta get it on the App Store. This is why I know that they said it's a pain, so let's get it on the App Store. Oh, I forgot I have the remote too. Okay, hold on. Okay, so we are downloading the Himirror app. Let's see what's next. Installing. Okay, so once installation is complete, download Himirror app from the App Store or Google Play and follow the instructions below to set up your mirror. Open the Himirror app and tap register a new account to create your user account. Okay. Allow. 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 Okay, let's see. We'll do this. Okay. So I'm setting up an account and it's asking me what is my skin type. It's gonna say combination. Is your skin sensitive? Not sensitive. What? Now create an account. Set up new mirror. You see, follow prompted. Next to proceed with setting up your account. If you already have Himirror, come from the Himirror website. Simply sign in and complete registration. On the find new Himirror page, select set up new Himirror. Find new Himirror page. Set up new Himirror. On the initial setup page, select generate QR code if you see a code scanner on your Himirror. Okay. Select your Himirror. Himirror Plus. Connect to the internet. So it asked me to name my Himirror, so I'm going to name her Daisy. Okay, done. Aim, it says aim Himirror's camera at the QR code until it's scanned. Aim Himirror's camera. How do I open this? How do I do this? Oh, you just turn it like this. There I am. Guys connecting. Now my phone's doing. Hi, Tia Sana. Ooh. Gesture command tutorial.
Himirror's air gesture control allows you to navigate your Himirror even if you have products on your hands or if they are wet. The Himirror is not a touchscreen device. The sensor is at the bottom of your Himirror. There are 5 gestures used to control the Himirror: up, down, left, right, and push. Please make sure the hand gesture is within a range of 4 to 8 inches. Keep hands operating in the designated area for the best sensor detection.
Okay, so I just did a bunch of gestures. I took a picture of my disgusting face, showed me the gestures I need to do, and now I'm going to set up the remote. And it comes with the batteries. I gotta put the batteries in. It's kind of speedy. It's going pretty fast, so you gotta hurry up. Put these in. Don't even know how, but we'll pretend I do. Okay, press and hold the home button for 5 seconds on your remote.
You almost let me lose my lion. Back to that funky place.
Okay, let me see if I can do this. Okay, so it says it's pairing.
Now we need to take it back.
Not sure if I have to hold it here or not.
You got somewhere else. No, somewhere else.
Okay, my battery's gonna die on my camera, so hold on. Well, I feel like absolute crap. So apparently I have 2.6% pores, 1.74% red spots, 3.49% dark spots, 10 something fine lines, I guess barely any wrinkles, 8% roughness. Oh,
Okay, you can see. She looks so stylish.
let's see if this works. Oh, to the right.
It's cloudy today in Arizona.
Cool.
And nice.
Skincare tips for
Are
you.
you okay?
What is it doing? You have not paired the remote. Push your hand forward to go to settings and pair. This thing's just picking up all sorts of stuff. Let me put the camera down because it just keeps moving. Okay, so I'm having trouble with the gestures, setting up the remote. But we have to go eat dinner, so I will be back. Charge this. I have to charge this as well.
It would be